Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find storage and backup. Now we have to scroll down to find the Google Backup and Restore, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the option to add a backup account. If this option is turned off in your case, then it means that the Backup My Data option is turned off also, and as you can see you also cannot tap on Automatic Restore. So all you have to do is to simply first of all tap on this switcher, and now let's tap on Backup Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here your device is trying to tell you that it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And here you've got actually the same information, so you will be able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account. Your device will back up the data automatically and will manage your backup easily. So if you want to back up the data right now, just tap on turn on. If not, just tap on not now. And after, for example, I don't know, a few days, if you will decide that you want to back up right now, just come back to this Google Backup and Restore section, tap on backup account, tap on it again, and as you can see you just go back to this exact step. So just tap on turn on, and actually this is it. This is how to enable the Google Backup. So from now on all of the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here you've got the option Automatic Restore, which is defaultly turned on. Of course you can turn it off if you want to, just by tapping on the switcher. So it means that after reinstalling an app, your system, your device will restore all backed up settings and data. So it's quite a cool option. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.